Garden tools need to be powerful, efficient, and easy to use. And when we talk about reliability, there is no doubt Stihl tools come on the list. So now, let's take a look at some of the new Stihl tools coming in 2026 that are built to handle everything from light garden work to heavy-duty outdoor tasks. If you are looking for something compact but surprisingly capable, the Stihl HSA26 is a great place to start. This cordless shrub shear is designed to handle both small touch-ups and larger garden detailing with ease. Built with 100% steel components, it delivers strong reliability right from the start. It runs on a lithium-ion battery, which not only provides long cutting time, but also ensures consistent performance throughout your work. Because it is lightweight and perfectly balanced, handling feels natural, allowing you to work longer without fatigue while still maintaining precision. The non-slip control handle improves grip and comfort, especially during detailed trimming. At the same time, the wide grass trimmer helps you cover more area quickly, while the teardrop-shaped shrub cutter delivers fast and clean cuts on bushes. Switching between tasks is simple, thanks to the tool-free blade replacement system. For added convenience, it includes secure fit covers for safe transport and storage, and a charge level indicator so you can check battery status instantly. And since it's compatible with all AS system batteries, it fits easily into existing setups. When cleaning needs to happen anywhere without relying on power outlets or water connections, the STIHL REA 60 Plus really stands out. This battery-powered high-pressure washer is designed for maximum mobility and flexibility. Powered by the STIHL AK system battery, it allows you to clean spaces like gardens, campsites, or outdoor areas with ease. And if there's no direct water source, you can attach an optional suction hose to use collected rainwater, or even pair it with a trolley and 20-liter water tank for complete independence. Performance is where it really shines. The electronically commutated motor works together with a durable high-pressure pump and aluminum pump head to deliver up to 130 bar of pressure, which is more than enough to clean furniture, terraces, and steps quickly. The stepless pressure adjustment gives you full control, so you can adapt to different surfaces without damaging them. The 3-in-1 nozzle makes things even easier by letting you switch between rotary jet, fan jet, and cleaning agent modes just by turning the lance. Meanwhile, the anti-drill quick-release coupling prevents the hose from twisting, making operation smoother. To finish it off, it includes a built-in hose reel with a guide for the 5-meter hose, along with integrated holders for the spray lance and gun, making storage and transport simple and efficient. For precise cutting in tight spaces, the STIHL GTA26 is designed to give you full control without the bulk of a traditional chainsaw. This cordless garden pruner is small in size but delivers impressive cutting power. With 100% steel components, it offers dependable performance, while the lithium-ion battery ensures long runtime and consistent output. The tool-free chain replacement system using a wing nut makes maintenance quick and hassle-free, so you can stay focused on your work. Its lightweight and perfectly balanced design makes it easy to handle, even for extended periods. The genuine Stihl 1/4-inch pitch PM3 saw chain delivers clean and powerful cuts, and the high chain speed ensures fast results with minimal effort. Safety and comfort are also well covered. The non-slip control handle provides a secure grip, while the flexible protective hood adds an extra layer of safety during operation. And because it runs quietly, you often don't need hearing protection. To finish it off, the LED charge level indicator keeps you informed about battery status, and compatibility with all AS system batteries makes it a versatile addition to your tool collection.
For quick cleanups around the house or workshop, the STIHL SEA20 cordless hand vacuum is built to be both convenient and efficient. It is designed to handle everyday messes without the hassle of cords or bulky equipment. Weighing just under 3 pounds with the battery, it is extremely lightweight and easy to maneuver, especially in tight or hard-to-reach spaces. The included attachments, such as the hose extender and crevice nozzle, allow you to tackle a wide range of cleaning tasks with ease. Comfort is also a priority here. with a rubberized grip that makes it easy to hold during extended use. Inside, a two-stage filter system works along with a sealing flap to keep dust and debris contained, preventing it from escaping back into the air. When it's time to empty the unit, the removable container makes the process quick and mess-free. And for better organization, it includes a carrying bag for accessories along with an onboard hanging slot for simple wall storage. If power is what you need, the STIHL BR800 backpack blower is built to deliver serious performance. Designed for professional landscapers, this machine is all about efficiency and speed on large jobs. With a 4.4 brake horsepower engine, it provides 20% more power than the BR700, allowing you to clear heavy debris like leaves and grass much faster. This not only saves time, but also helps improve overall productivity on the job. Despite its power, comfort has not been overlooked. The ergonomic S-shaped shoulder straps distribute weight evenly, while the adjustable handle lets you find the most comfortable working position. This makes long work sessions much more manageable. It also includes a convenient hanging slot for easy storage when the job is done, making it a practical addition to any professional setup. For those finishing touches that make a garden stand out, the STIHL FCA 135 battery-powered edger is designed to deliver clean and precise edges. It's especially useful in noise-sensitive areas where quieter operation is important. As the first battery-powered professional edger in the STIHL AP battery system, it combines power with maneuverability. The lightweight design and high blade speed allow for smooth operation, while the variable speed trigger gives you better control over the cutting process. To ensure accuracy, it features line-of-sight markings and an adjustable depth wheel, helping you create consistent and clean edges every time. Built with a brushless motor, onboard metal air filter, and durable weather-resistant construction, it delivers the same reliability as its gas-powered counterpart. When trimming high branches, reach and balance become essential, and that's exactly where HTA 135 excels. This battery-powered pole pruner is designed for professional-level overhead cutting. Its telescopic shaft can extend beyond 13 feet, allowing you to reach high areas without the need for ladders. At the same time, the balanced design helps reduce fatigue, making it easier to work for longer periods. It's built with durable components like a magnesium gearbox, delivering reliable cutting performance similar to gas-powered tools. It also includes features such as a translucent bar and chain oil tank, onboard battery slot, foot mount, and variable speed trigger for better control. With IPX4 rated weather-resistant construction, it's built to handle splash water conditions, making it suitable for a variety of outdoor environments.
STIHL HSA 140R Battery Hedge Trimmer. For detailed hedge work and precise shaping, the STIHL HSA 140R Battery Hedge Trimmer is built to deliver clean and consistent results. It is designed for users who need both control and performance in one tool. The high blade speed combined with small tooth spacing allows for accurate trimming, especially when sculpting hedges. The diamond-ground dual-sided blades ensure sharp and efficient cutting, reducing effort while improving results. Its rotating multifunction handle improves ergonomics, allowing you to work comfortably from different angles. The onboard battery slot gives you flexibility to use either backpack battery systems or AP system batteries depending on your needs. With a brushless motor that reduces maintenance and an IPX4 rated weather-resistant build, this tool is ready for demanding outdoor conditions. If you want to take lawn care to the next level, the STIHL iMOW brings automation into the picture. This robotic mower is designed to deliver consistent, high-quality results with minimal effort from the user. Using advanced technology, it creates efficient cutting patterns while reducing mowing time. It is also designed for ease of use with intuitive controls available directly on the unit or through the My iMOW application, giving you full control over your mowing schedule.
Under ideal conditions, it can handle large areas efficiently, and certain models can even manage slopes up to 55% with an upgrade kit. Features like electric cutting height adjustment make it even more convenient to customize your lawn care. Rounding things out, the Stihl MSA 140 battery chainsaw offers a balance of power and convenience for everyday cutting tasks. It is designed to handle jobs like pruning, cutting firewood, and general yard work with ease. Because it is battery-powered, it provides quieter operation and eliminates exhaust emissions, making it more comfortable to use in residential areas. At the same time, the lightweight design ensures better handling and reduced fatigue during longer tasks. Despite its compact build, it still delivers strong cutting performance, making it a reliable option for both homeowners and professionals looking for a practical and efficient chainsaw. That's a wrap on new Stihl tools in 2026. Which of these tools caught your eye the most? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, hit that thumbs up and subscribe for more reviews, tips, and the latest in tools. Thanks for watching.